These people are eating black gold, Wojen, which is made from lotus leaves. But how is it made? First, the lotus leaves are picked and thoroughly washed in water. After that, they're hung up to dry in the sun. Once they're dried, the leaves are placed in a pan, covered on top, and then coated all over with soil. Some paper is also attached to the lid. Finally, after a few hours of heating it over a fire, the paper turns yellow. This is the sign that the lotus leaf has completely blackened and transformed into black gold. People eat it because it's believed to help with acidity, gas, digestion, and more.